2.
Number 1, Yang Smith.
Yang Smith, another crowd favorite, up to serve.
She has to make sure that she gets this serve in. Hindi pwede magkamali sa puntong ito. Bawal talaga. Bawal talaga.
Perfect volleyball is needed. Oh!
Belen. Bella. Carmela on the drop. Mika on her knees. Lamina to Belen. Cross court. Bella Belen.
Be aware, Bella Belen is in the front row. She used all
Those bodies on the floor. Beanie Mika digging that one up on her knees.
We're now tied at 21 points.
Fiangi at the service line.